I'll do a quick product review on Hamilton. I think it's 6-quart crock pot. I've had this. I've had it probably 2 or 3 years now. It's a pretty good crock pot. We're using it. We got dinner cooking in it right now. Got some beef vegetable soup cooking in it. You got 4 settings. You got off, keep warm, low, and high. It's supposed to have a block to keep the lid on, but it would go across the top of this, but it broke on me. That's one of the features it has. Got steam release here, which broke also. Since I bought it. But overall, it's a good crock pot. I've used it a lot before I moved in here, and we cook stuff in the crock pot at least once a week. We cook something in the crock pot here. Like I said, we got dinner cooking in it right now. Like, only 2 problems I've had so far in 2 years I've had it, like I said, get out of it. Bring that here. Bring that here. Give that to me, Rosie. Sorry about that. Baby's getting into dog food. She's got some kind of fascination with the cat food and dog food. I don't know what it is. But, only 2 problems I've had with it so far, like I said, is the lock for the lid broke on me. It's been a while back, and this little steamer thing here broke. But other than that, I like it. I enjoy it. I love cooking in a crock pot, and we use it a lot here at the house also. It's more than paid for itself. The Hamilton Beach Crock Pot. I think it's, like I said, I think it's 6-quart.